someone else do it. Get in now.
Go! Right. Hi, Span. This video is for your 30th birthday. Wow, you're old.
I mean, you're older, but okay.
Okay. Just wanted to get a few people together to wish you birthday wishes. So as you will see after me, there'll be a few more people that just want to send their love on your 30th birthday. So my message to you for your 30th is Precious.
Yes, Precious, go. Little sister.
My
this.
most
Go.
special. Special.
This. Say that. No,
I am not saying that
You're
word.
saying love. Right, last one.
Anyway,
go.
Lovely. No.
Oh my god.
Anyway, I can't think what I'm going to say right now, so I'll come back at the end. I'll see you then.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Hope you like all your presents. Can't believe that we've been together half your life. I just want to say I love you, and I can't imagine life without you. You've made me who I am today, and thank you for everything you've done for me and the kids. Just make it a good one. Happy birthday.
Say love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Baba. Love you. Do you want to see what I did you miss? Birthday to you, Mummy. Love you.
Hi sweet, happy 30th birthday. Can't believe it. You're such a beautiful girl inside and out, and we're so proud to have you as a daughter-in-law. Have a fantastic day. Love you.
Hi Hannah. Wow, where did those 15 years go? You're a great wife, mum and daughter-in-law. Have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy it. You deserve it.
Bye.
Bye.
I just would like to wish the most favourite child a happy birthday. So happy birthday, Chelsea. Happy birthday, Hannah. And I love you with all my heart, moon and back.
Hi Span, happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Hang on a minute. That's better. Hi Span, happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day, despite the lockdown and all the millions of people dying out there and people feeling suicidal, and just be thankful you're still alive and not dead. Just go and enjoy your day and forget about how horrible your mum and me are, and might not be here next year, but don't worry about that, just go and enjoy yourself. Right, okay, these titles should be... Remember, you know, I'm trying to do a video here, these titles. Right, okay, well, anyway, have a great day. Right, hang on. Thank you. Right, where was I? Right, okay. Yeah, have a great day. Eat plenty of cake. And don't get too pissed, alright? Cheers. Jesus, how has the car got petrol in it? Run us up to A&E.
Happy birthday. Oh my god, 30 is so old. Joking. I hope you have a good day. Hope you get cards, presents, balloons, everything that comes with a birthday, cake. But I hope this video message / montage makes up for you not having your big 30th birthday party as planned. But I hope it makes up for it. I do hope you have a good day. We have had our ups and downs, that is for sure, but you are still my aunt, so I am stuck with you. Oh my god. Joking. But thank you for everything you've done with me. I do appreciate it. And yeah. Happy birthday, old woman. Love ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hanah. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Hannah, happy birthday. Have a beautiful time. I'll be thinking of you. Lots of love from Katie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Lots and lots of love, Katie.
Hi Hanah, have a great 30th birthday. Have a great day. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.
Hi Hannah, just wanted to wish you a really happy 30th birthday. You're so special and we can't wait to celebrate with you.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Hanah!
birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 30th, Han. Just want to say thank you for being such an amazing friend. Always there for me and the boys and the rest of the gang as well. Hope you have an amazing birthday. We love you lots and thanks for all the memories. Mwah.
Happy birthday, lovely lady. Hope you have a great day and get spoilt rotten like you deserve. Lots of love, Posh, Tyler and Riley. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hanah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Hanah. Thank you for always being our friend. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.
Happy 30th birthday, Hanah. I hope you have a lovely day. I'm sorry we can't be with you on the day, but I'm sure we'll catch up afterwards and have a great time. Happy birthday!
Have an amazing birthday. I know you're turning 30 and I know you had all these plans, but it is going to be amazing when we get to do stuff for you. Just enjoy and have fun with all your family. Massive thank you for you being there for everything with me as well, and I wish I could be there with you. Love you lots and have a wicked day.
Happy 30th birthday, Hanah. I'll drink one in Ireland for you.
There you go.
Hi Hanah, this is the West Country Rallies here. Just calling on WhatsApp to wish you a happy 30th birthday. And you don't look it, you'll be pleased to know. Hope you, Tom and the boys are all keeping well. And we'll see you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bye.
Happy 30th birthday, Hanah. I hope you have the best day you can. Even if it wasn't what you planned, I'm sure it'll be worth it.
Happy birthday, Hanah. Hope you have a lovely day.
3, oh, let's go. Happy birthday, Hanah.
Woo!
Happy birthday, Hanah.
Happy 30th birthday, Hanah. Sorry we can't be with you. Hope you have a lovely day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Han. Hope you have a lovely day and the kids send you big hugs and kisses, and we'll see you soon.
Happy birthday! We hope you have a lovely 30th, Han. Have a great day. We send you lots of
Kisses.
bye.
Bye. Birthday, Hanah. Happy birthday, Hanah. Happy birthday, Hanah. Happy birthday, Julia.
Happy birthday, Hanah. Have a lovely one. Love you. We love you.
Wave, Hanah.
Bye.
Wave.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hanah.
Hi
Hannah.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful time. And just to let you know that we're thinking of you. And I know you're going to be thoroughly spoiled by your whole family. All right, you take care, my darling, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
And happy birthday from Stevie Wonder. Bye.
Shame we can't be with you. As you know, we would love to be there, but unfortunately the situation as it is at the moment, it makes it impossible. But we will, I promise, we will make it up when we can get together, which hopefully looks as though it won't be too long. May not be in time for your birthday, but I'm sure we will find some other reason to celebrate, as there's lots of other birthdays coming up soon. One I can think of immediately is this lady on my right hand side.
50!
This is Ivy, 50.
Happy birthday,
God bless
Hannah.
you and all your
Hannah,
family.
have a lovely time.
Happy
Love you
birthday
all.
and have a lovely time.
Enjoy
Love to
it.
all the family. Stay safe.
See you soon.
Take care. Love you all.
Love you all.
Well done
Bye.
to the boys for doing what they done at school. Really pleased.
Bye.
See you soon. Good night. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Hannah.
I hope you have a good day.
Love you lots. Bye.
Hello Hannah, happy 30th birthday. We hope you have a lovely day, you, Tom and the lovely boys. Go on, Beth.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Alright Kenny, that's enough. Anyway, enjoy your day, lovely. Love you.
Hi Hannah, happy birthday. Hope you have the best 30th birthday ever. Miss you, love you lots, spam from all the crowd here in Ireland. Bye love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Hannah, happy birthday from Ireland. You may remember me. My dad used to run backwards watch. See? Not as fast as him, mind. Enjoy your birthday. Hopefully one day we'll see you all again. And give your mum and dad a big hug. Big squeeze. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 30th. Don't tell anyone.
Hi Hannah, hope you have a good day on your 30th. Despite everyone saying look forward to your 30s, it's all downhill as you'll discover now, especially when you get closer to your 40s as well. So have a good day with the boys and the family, and hopefully we'll see you soon. And I'll pass you over to Cassie.
Hi Hannah, happy 30th. I hope you have the best day. Miss you lots and love you lots.
And we're going to pass you over to Milo. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let me have some cake. I like cake.
And also, hopefully if all goes well, in December, your niece or nephew maybe have to wish you happy birthday on your 31st. Okay, have a good day. Bye.
Wow, Span, you've had some great messages there for your birthday from all your family and friends. So, my message to you as my sister, my little sister, who I didn't actually ask for, so why am I bothering? I was originally the favourite. You got me demoted to middle child, so now I have middle child syndrome. But it's not about me, it's about you. So happy 30th birthday, Hannah. Hope you have a great day. Welcome to the Dirty 30s. Hope they're brilliant. Mine haven't been too bad. Yeah. So enjoy. I hope you have a great day, and I shall see you soon. I'm probably sitting right next to you because you're never away from me. Oh!